In this video, we are going to build a knowledge graph by scanning our infrastructure. When an incident happens, your engineer checks Kubernetes, Grafana, monitors logs, and pulls up the AWS console. Then they go through all the alerts and commits, all of it manually. The problem is not that the data does not exist. The issue is that nothing is connecting it together, and DrDroid is built exactly to solve that. In this video, we are going to show how it actually gets filled. It all starts with an integrations. We support around 80+ integrations, like Kubernetes, Signos, GitHub, and many more. Once we connect tools, it immediately starts pulling metadata from it. This means the structural information about your infrastructure, like what exists, what it is called, and how it connects to everything else. We can see exactly what gets pulled in inside the assets. Let us look at the one of the integration. You can have a look at assets. It pulls all the resources from your connected tools. And after the initial scan, the system keeps scanning on a regular basis. Across all these integrations, the system collects over 200 distinct types of data. Let's look at the knowledge graph. When you click on Generate Knowledge Graph, it generates the graph with the summary. Let's understand how this works. If our GitHub repository is named Payment Service, and our Kubernetes deployment is also named Payment Service, then our distributed traces will have a service attribute called Payment Service. In AWS, there is an RDS instance that the Payment Service calls. That same database name appears in our traces as a downstream span. DrDroid finds these name overlaps and relationship signals across every source it scans. So when new data comes in, new edges are created or updated, and the graph stays current. Once the correlations are built, the processed data gets indexed into what DrDroid calls memory. There is a memory management page where we can see the full index. For more detail about memory, check out the Deep Code Context video. The link is in the comments. During an incident, the question is not just about what is broken, but also about what is connected to the workflow and what has changed recently. If we answer that manually, it means switching across 5 different tools, and there is a real risk of missing something. With the knowledge graph, the context is already assembled. The agent has all the information before we even start the investigation. We only need to connect our tools once. After that, the system handles scanning, correlation, and indexing. By the time something breaks, the context is already there, along with a clear path to fix it. So that's it for this video. Keep watching and exploring DrDroid.